Alright, so in this video we're going to show you how to use the blood pressure monitor demo. And with the blood pressure monitor you first need to connect the Bluetooth stick with the expander emitter board, as you need to do for the other demos, and then start up the software. Once you have the software up and running, just like in the other demos, you need to select the COM port and the device type. So the COM port number for this particular device will be 227 because it's 200 plus the enumerated COM port number, and select BTVCP from the Add Chip Selection combo box. And after you do that, click Connect to connect to the Bluetooth stick. And once you successfully do that, you will see a channel open message in the bottom text box. Next, what you need to do is turn the blood pressure monitor on. And to do that, just simply flip the switch on the side of the blood pressure monitor. If that works, you'll see that the time is displayed on the LCD of the blood pressure monitor. And the software will sync up and connect to the blood pressure monitor, and a ready message will appear underneath the COM port number. And also the start button will be enabled to actually start the measurement of the blood pressure monitor. So if you actually want to run the demo, you need to have the blood pressure monitor connected to a patient or to somebody. So as you can see, we have the blood pressure cuff mounted on the arm, and it's connected to the blood pressure monitor. And to start the measurement wirelessly, simply click the start button on the software. That'll automatically send a start message to the blood pressure monitor, which will then start taking the measurement, which unfortunately takes a few minutes to complete. During this time, you can see that the software is blinking acquiring, just to indicate that it's trying to acquire a message or a measurement from the blood pressure monitor. And once the measurement is complete, that message is then going to get broadcast automatically to the software and displayed in real time. So as you can see, those two values match perfectly between the blood pressure monitor and the software. Now, before starting another measurement or another demo of this blood pressure monitor needs to go into a low power mode. And that can either happen by allowing it to time out, which takes about a minute, and what happens is basically the display goes blank and only time is displayed. Or alternatively, you can just press the start button, which will put it into this mode, and then it'll quickly time out to be ready for another measurement. So measurements should only be started when the blood pressure monitor is in this state here, with the LCD blank only displaying time. If you try to start a measurement in any other state, this thing will go into a funny mode and not work and will need to be reinitialized.